with this.
Xavier's trying to put a 10,000 pound air conditioner that he refused to take a cart for and carry it like cartman.
First of all, it's not 10,000 pounds.
It don't fit in his
He just
car.
thinks that I'm a lot stronger than I am because
It doesn't.
of how good I look.
It doesn't fit in his car. It does not fit. We bent.
It's gonna fit. Watch.
It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. Trust me. Alright, he's doing some kind of rigging of the box.
What kind of rigging?
Can't say those kind of words, sir.
What? Whatever do you mean?
Idaho potatoes. Would you get to rig?
Idaho.
Yo, start rigging, motherfucker. I'm melting.
Idaho potatoes.
I'm melting in this bitch, yo. We're here in the mall of malls. The mall of all grand shitty malls. Take a look around, people. A lot of shitty stuff going on here. Home Depot. I don't see any Mexicans out. That's because of Trump. I mean, oh shit, we're not allowed to sit. I mean, anyway.
I like Trump.
I like Vivi.
Right. Look what I'm gonna do.
He's gonna tie himself up. Let him. Slave. And he's putting the kofifi in the trunk.
Fuck, it doesn't fit.
Like I told him.
Fuck.
Because he doesn't believe me.
Ah, fuck, I fucking hate you guys.
And this video's gonna end here for right now. There might be a part 2.